The DEWALT DWS520K TrackSaw Kit combines the precision of a table saw with the convenient portability of a circular saw, making it an excellent choice for finish carpenters and woodworkers. Its anti-slip aluminum track ensures clean, straight, and precise cuts without the need for additional clamping, thanks to its friction strips that hold the track securely in place. Powered by a robust 1,300-watt motor, this tool effortlessly cuts through hardwoods and other common construction materials, providing users with maximum power and versatility. The continuous anti-kickback feature enhances user safety by allowing the saw to move only in a forward direction, effectively preventing any potential kickback. A universal dust port is included, which collects up to 90% of excess dust and debris, reducing cleanup time significantly. With a 6½ inch blade and a cutting depth of over 2 inches, this track saw can handle a variety of tasks from ripping to mitering with precision and ease.